5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, ignition, liftoff.
Hey guys, welcome to MB Tech Talk. My name's Matt. Yes, I know it's been a while since I last uploaded a video. Unfortunately, I got hit by COVID and it has taken me quite a while to recover. But hey, I'm back in the driver's seat. This will be my first video of 2022 and I just wanted to make a short video to set the stage and carry on from my last video where I give you a walkthrough of my Cisco UCS M4 lab server. So the server is nicely tucked away in my workshop and I have remote access to it from my office, so I can manage the hardware using the Cisco Integrated Management Console, and also I can get to ESXi. Both these systems can be managed directly through the web browser. So one of my gripes was I was getting pretty annoyed about having to go outside in the wet and cold to power on the server and to power off the server. So I did a bit of research and I bought a pair of TP-Link mini Wi-Fi sockets. If you're interested to know how I use them, I've written a blog post on my website. It's at www.mbtechtalk.com, so go and check that out if you feel so inclined. So I've got a schedule configured on the TP-Link Wi-Fi sockets to power on the Cisco UCS every morning at 8 AM Monday to Friday. And then what I do is then log into the Cisco Integrated Management Controller and then go to the host power. Then I power on the ESXi server manually. So what I need to do is investigate whether there is a way that I can power up the ESXi server automatically when the UCS first boots up. So if any of you got any ideas or suggestions or have done this on the UCS themselves, it'd be great if you could put that in the comments below for me. Okay, so let's go and have a look at the ESXi server. As you can see, I've only got one VM on this ESXi install. I know it's crazy, but I just wanted to concentrate solely on EVE-NG Labs. I just want to make sure that I can run multi-vendor devices simultaneously, you know, huge labs, lots of devices, and I just want to dedicate as much of the resource to the EVE-NG Pro virtual machine as I can. So let's just take a quick look at that. So if I open up or edit the settings, and as you can see, I've got 48 CPUs allocated, 94 gig of RAM. I got a 500 gig hard drive on a 2 terabyte RAID configuration. So that's my data store. Now I've got it set as thick provision lazily zeroed, which is fine for me because I'm not going to have anything else on here at the moment. But the EVE-NG CEO Aldis was a guest speaker on a free INE EVE-NG course on YouTube, and he recommended that if you're using shared storage on your data store, to create a hard disk using thick provisioned, eagerly zeroed. This will make sure that the hard drive space is dedicated to the EVE-NG virtual machine and it won't get used by someone or something else. So you can check this out on my blog. I wrote about this. I put the link of the video in there. I think the blog post is something like deploying EVE-NG Pro on my Cisco UCS server. So yeah, head over to www.mbtechtalker.com. But if you have any questions about my lab setup, then drop them in the comments below. I'm already working on future videos. As always, they'll be centered around Palo Alto Networks technology, and I will be incorporating some Cisco network devices into it. You know, working with some routing protocols, VPNs, high availability, HSRP, you know, all these different things that I can incorporate in. If there's any specific topics you would like me to cover in the EVE-NG Labs, then please drop them into the comments too. So that's it for today's video, guys. Just a short one. I just wanted to let you know what I've been up to and what I'm doing next, and give you an idea of the content you can expect on my channel. I'm sure you know what to do next, but as a reminder, if you don't, please hit that subscribe, smash that like button and click that bell notification, and I will see you in the next video.